Are you the type of person that would actually prefer a break from the heavy foods usually served during the holidays? Well, I have a really great recipe here for a Greek salad. Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jana from New York City, and I love, love, love helping people keep some more of their hard earned money. In this case, I also like to help people perhaps lose a bit of calories in their meals. And sometimes in the midst of the holiday season, foods are so heavy and yeah, they're fun, whatever, but sometimes you want a little bit of a break or an option to lighten it up. This is a great idea to serve at your holiday table for folks like that. There you go. All right, it's called Greek salad. It's from a great book. I'll show you the cover on the thumbnail. All right, so the recipe as follows. Greek salad. This is a big, colorful salad. The vegetables can be prepared ahead of time. We like that idea, right? And kept chilled in a plastic bag. The pieces of pita breads are a surprise ingredient, but can be prepared ahead and kept also in a separate bag. Toss all together with the dressing just before serving. And yes, it gives the dressing idea too. Here's what you're going to need: one head of romaine lettuce, one medium head of iceberg lettuce, one small red onion diced, one large cucumber sliced, one green pepper diced, two medium tomatoes cut into 8 wedges each, 10 radishes sliced, and 2 pita breads. You're going to wash, pat dry, and tear up the romaine and iceberg lettuce leaves. You're going to slice and dice the other vegetables. You're going to toss the pita bread separately into 2 pieces and cut into 1-inch size pieces. Keep pita separate from vegetables and add at the last minute so that they remain crisp. This has no other choice but to be delicious. So here's the dressing to go with it. For the dressing, shake up in a little jar and set aside 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of water, a half a teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Before serving, cut a garlic clove in half and rub the sides of a big wooden bowl with the garlic pieces. Toss together in the bowl the vegetables and the dressing. When well mixed, add the pizza pieces and toss gently. Serve at once. This can actually give 12 large servings at a mere 90 calories each. How is that for a low calorie filling either side dish, or if you prefer for yourself, your main course? I think this is a great option. There you go. Guilt-free eating, even during the holiday season. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I'll be back again real soon. Take good care now. Bye-bye.